Introducing the Tri-Taste Automatic Soap Dispenser. In the box, you'll receive your soap dispenser, 2 measuring cups, a funnel, and your instruction manual. To insert the batteries, slide up the back cover and insert 3 AA batteries. These are not included. To fill your dispenser with foam soap, remove the top of the dispenser and using the funnel, fill the tank with 300 to 350 milliliters of foam soap. Put the top part of the tank back on and close the unit, turning it clockwise. You may also fill the tank with diluted liquid soap. To fill with diluted liquid soap, rotate and attach the top part using the provided large measuring cup. Fill the tank with roughly 250 milliliters of water. Using the provided small measuring cup, fill the tank with roughly 6 milliliters of soap. Stir the tank a few times so the soap dissolves into the water. Put the top back on and close the unit, turning it counterclockwise. The typical ratio for this is 1 to 4, depending on the type of soap you use. To turn on the dispenser, press the power button on the top. The light will flash white. To turn it off, press it again and it will flash red. The first time you add soap, you must place your hand under the sensor 2 times. During the first time, the motor will fill the tube. During the second time, the soap will be dispensed. The Tri-Taste Automatic Soap Dispenser.